absolutely no question of merging or anything, because Goencho Avaaz was formed to fight हें पळय करप्शन चालू आसा गोंयान, हें डिस्ट्रक्शन जें चालू आसा गोंयचें आमचें एनवायरमेंट, हे 3 लिनियर फॉर जे रिजनल प्लॅन जे कन्वर्जन जाल्ले अंडर 16B, हे सगळी आमची जमीन पळय विकल्या ह्या पॉलिटिशन, ही ताका लागून आमची लढाई स्टार्ट जाल्ली एज गोंयचो आवाज. दॅट्स वाय गोंयचो आवाज इज एन आयडिया फॉर सेविंग गोवा. So there is no question of Goencho Avaaz ever merging. But whatever Goencho Avaaz says, for getting the strategic advantage in Dabolim, as per that I will agree for whatever Goencho Avaaz says.
So by the time Congress was earlier, when you were fighting earlier, Congress never thought about inviting you, but now with politics around the corner, they're inviting you. So you think they are looking up to you as a strength in Dabolim?
I think so. The ground situation, आम्ही पळय आतां ग्राउंडार आसा. लास्ट when after announcing की आमी इलेक्शनाक रावतले म्हण, I think so the last 3 months has seen a sea change. जसो आमकां सपोर्ट येता, some openly, some on the quiet, because तुमकां खबर आसा जें वातावरण आसा डाबोलीम, कोण तर आमच्या बराबर दिसत जाल्यार तांकां धमकी दिता, तो कितें दितात. That itself shows that the sitting MLA is frightened. His time has come to say goodbye to politics. Except for when I was invited by Mr. Chidambaram when he came down on 12th. That is the only thing. But for me, सारकें म्हळ्यार आमचो I belong to Goencho Avaaz. And Goencho Avaaz is an institution, it's a philosophy, it's an idea for Goa. अशें म्हज्यान Goencho Avaaz केन्ना सोडपाक जायना. But whatever Goencho Avaaz decides in the larger interest of Goa, I will abide by that.
You call for any meeting as such?
I spoke to the president of the organization, Mr. Swapnesh Shellekar, and he will be calling for an emergency meeting because they know the ground reality in Dabolim per se. Because the demand has been coming from Dabolim, from the voters of Dabolim, that there has to be a consolidated fight against the sitting MLA. So, taking that into consideration, whatever Goencho Avaaz decides, I will abide by that.